It's an absolutely beautiful day in Southern California. The best time to spot LAX is after the rain. It rained earlier today, and it's just absolutely gorgeous out here now. It clears out all of the smog that LA is so known for. But it's gorgeous out here today. I might even go up to the H Hotel today. It's on a clear day with LA in the background, the mountains in the background. There's no better spotting than that. Only thing I don't like about this particular spot that I'm in, it's a blind spot for me. And so if I'm using my phone to videotape, I can't really see what's coming in on the map. But that's why you need to always stay ready. I really don't know what's coming up here now. Hope something good is coming in pretty soon. Yep, 747, baby. British Air, no, oh, okay. No, it's an Ever Air, 777. Nice. Thought I saw that 747 hump. Touchdown, complete. For my money, the best day to shoot is when you've got the sun at your back and a cloudy background. Oh, I absolutely love that. It just gives, to me, adds character, depth to the photo. Much, much better than a plain blue sky. So I just had to get out here today after the rain cleared up. I think for a while it was reverse operations, I'm not sure. Now that's a 747. British Airways. Got some more goodness on the way. Dreamliner. I've got a feeling that most of the spotters today are on the south side at Jim Cutter Park, so I think that's where I'm going to head. Give me maybe one or two more here, then head on over to Jim Cutter. Maybe I can get an interview today. Man, it's just beautiful. I love these conditions. It's these kind of days that gives you a glimpse of why Los Angeles is so doggone congested. Well, I'm gonna wait for one more, then I'm gonna pack it up and head where the action is today. I'm quite sure Jim Cutter Park is overflowed with spotters today. So gorgeous out here.